Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we have an assortment of parts for a Waukesha L5792DSU, single headset, single ring set, 2 injectors, valve cover gaskets, push rods, and the gaskets for the inspection doors or changing some bearings. We also have cylinder head, cylinder kit, other parts that are not pictured in here. We have these parts in stock, rare discontinued parts, headsets, cylinder heads, internal engine parts, bearings, gaskets, water pumps, other hard to find parts. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Over 70 years, Waukesha parts and service. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.